Hey there, guys. Chet here. We all set ambitious revenue targets for the new year, but keeping your team focused on those exact numbers for 12 straight months is really one of the hardest parts of sales. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build and track your sales goals directly inside of Pipedrive so that your team actually hits them. We will go from a blank dashboard to a live tracking system that shows your daily activities, closed revenue, and future cash flow predictions. Now you will need a Pipedrive account to follow along, and if you haven't set one up yet, don't search on Google. I've got a special link right down in the description. If you click that, you'll get a 30-day free trial with all the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. So if you decide to keep using it though after the trial, the discount will be applied automatically. And that's only when you sign up through my link, which means you'll be using the same powerful Pipedrive for less than what everyone else is paying. And by the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full Pipedrive course from A to Z, walks you through everything step by step. It's totally free, and the link is there also if you need it. To get started, log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're on the Pipedrive dashboard, navigate to the left menu and click on the Insights icon, since this is where reporting and sales goals are created. This section is essentially the analytical brain of your CRM. Now, we will create a new goal based on that performance and decide on a realistic revenue target for the year. Once you are on the Insights page, navigate to the top left corner and click on the plus create button. After clicking, a drop-down list will appear with multiple options like generate report, goal, and dashboard. To create a new goal, click goal from that drop-down list, and you'll see different goal types like deal, activity, and forecast. Each of these serves a very unique purpose for a sales manager. Choose activity-based goals if you want to track completed activities such as quotes sent or calls made. Select forecast-based goals if you want to compare cumulative sales with expected revenue. Use a deals one goal to track the volume or value of closed deals, which is typically revenue focused. For this tutorial, first, we will choose the deal. You will see different goal types. Use a deals added goal if you want someone prospecting to create a specific number of new deals per month. Use a progression goal if a team member needs to move deals into a specific stage, such as a meeting booked stage. Use a deals one goal to track the volume or value of closed deals, which is typically revenue focused. To create a classic revenue goal, choose the one group as a goal type from the pop-up window and click on the continue button. Now, right next to the assigned section, you get to choose whether this goal applies to a specific user or entire company or a team. For this tutorial, we're going to leave it on the default setting, which is user. Then go ahead and choose your pipeline. For example, we'll select the sales pipeline just to keep things simple. After you do that, you will need to set the frequency. You have options like monthly, quarterly, and yearly. But for this video, let's just leave it on monthly. Next, pick your duration by setting a start and end date. If you haven't actually decided on a hard deadline for this goal yet, you can simply leave the end date as no end date. Moving down, you need to choose your tracking metric. You can track by value or count, and for this example, we will stick with count. Then just type your target number in the value box right next to it. Once all those details are perfectly filled out, just click the Save button to create and activate your goal. Your goal is now live and ready to go. You'll probably notice that there's absolutely nothing showing on the chart right now, and that's really just because we haven't started the new year yet, or we haven't started the year yet. But the second you win a deal next time, this report is going to update instantly. Now, let's take a look at what happens when that data actually starts rolling in. Once your goal is active, Pipedrive builds this beautiful, highly visual tracking dashboard just for you. Right at the top, you have your goal details section that acts as a quick summary of the rules that we just set up. It reminds you who the goal is assigned to, which pipeline it is tracking, and the time frame and your massive target number, which my specific example is set to 65 deals per month. It is always nice to have that context right at the top of your screen so that you never forget what you're chasing. Just below that summary is where the real tracking happens. You get a dynamic bar chart that automatically breaks down your progress month by month across the entire year, from February to March to April and so on. You will notice a straight target line drawn right across the top of those columns, showing you exactly what you need to hit. As you or your team start working and logging deals, a green progress bar will begin to fill up for that specific month. What if you want to know exactly which deals are making up that progress? Pipedrive makes that incredibly transparent so that you're never guessing where your numbers are coming from. If you just look below the main chart, there is a detailed list view with a deals and summary tab. Under the Deals tab, it breaks down every single piece of business that is contributing to your goal. You can see the specific deal title, the exact monetary value, the pipeline it belongs to, who owns it, and the precise date and time it was tracked. This way, if a number ever looks off on the graph, you can verify the exact source of that data instantly. Finally, to make sure you never lose sight of this target, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a button that says Add to Dashboard. Click that, and you can pin this entire tracking chart right onto your main daily insights dashboard. Now, every single time you log into Pipedrive, this year's progress, or in this case, your 2026 progress, is staring right back at you, keeping you entirely accountable and focused on closing for the whole year. So, there you have it. You now have a complete real time tracking system for your 2026 sales goals built right into Pipedrive. You never have to rely on a messy, outdated spreadsheet ever again, and your entire team will always know exactly what they need to do every single day to hit those massive targets. If you want to set this up for your own business, make sure to click that special partner link down in the description below to grab your 30-day extended free trial. That gives you a full month to test these reporting features out instead of the standard 14 days. And if you're really serious about mastering this CRM this year, go ahead and click the link for our completely free A to Z Pipedrive course while you're down there. It walks you through every single feature step by step so that you really can become a true expert. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.